Learn how to make money online. Many people today are looking for different ways to supplement their income to help them earn a living, and one of those ways is through making money online. If this has been something that is drawing you to take a closer look at, then the following video is just for you. Keep watching for solid tips on how you can go about making money online. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. As you can see from the above video, anyone can make money in the online world when they have a good idea and solid tips to follow. If you have been reluctant in the past to use the internet as a way to make money, you shouldn't have to worry any longer now that you watch this video. Keep studying this topic, and soon you will see how it is possible to make money online. Student loan.